What's up YouTube, it's your boy Junior here, bringing you another great video to the channel, guys. And this is your first time here, guys, I highly suggest you go and hit the subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you guys get notified every time we drop great videos like this one or whenever we go out. Because trust me guys, you guys do not want to miss a thing on this channel because we do a lot of great things here. Anyways, today we're going to be doing another product review on a product that I bought for myself. It's not a sponsored video, nobody bought it, I bought it out of my own pocket, so you guys know the review on this is gonna be completely honest. All right, so you guys know I do a lot of traveling. I go outside the US a bunch of times. I travel within the US, and a lot of things that people don't realize when they travel is they use their phones a lot more than a lot more people think they do, because you're taking pictures, sightseeing, and everything, so your batteries tend to die. So what's the one thing people always brings on their trips are power banks, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be describing today. Is a power bank that I found for a very good price. This has a lot of features on here that I saw that I was very impressed with. I got this from a company on Amazon called Morphex. I'll leave a link down below when you guys want to take a look at it. But the name of the brand here, it says it back here, it's called Evatos Consulting Ltd. So who actually makes this, or what, there's no name brand on here, just it says power bank. It's a good power bank. How big is this power bank? That's what caught my attention for the price and everything. Now, is it gonna be a long-lasting power bank? I haven't gone that far yet because I just got it, but I want to show you just an option, because this power bank right here is only $37. And how big is the power bank? In this little box right here, it's a pretty heavy box, but in this little box right here, it holds 50,000 milliamps of power in here, which is awesome. And on top of that, just to show you, just to give you an idea of how big 50,000 milliamps is, it could charge an iPhone 14, fully charge it 15 times. It could fully charge an iPad Air 5 6.5 times. And it could charge a Samsung Ultra 20 or S20 13.5 times. So you see how many times it charges the phone and everything. So if you're traveling, this is a great device, because if you go through the whole day to charge it, it's gonna last you probably for a couple of days. Now, how long does it take for it to charge the power bank itself? From what I read, it takes 24 hours to fully charges from 0 to 100 if you're using a regular USB-A to USB-C plug, and it's a under 20 watt power block. But if you're using a high-speed lightning over like 25 watts or 30 watts, whatever it is, it charges it in 12 hours. So it takes a bit to charge it, but again, look how big the battery is, 50,000 milliamps. So let's go ahead and open this up and show you what's inside here. So on the box itself just says power bank, so there's no name brand on here. On the back, it gives you a little bit more information here. Like I said, it's a China product, so it's from Shanghai. But it was produced in a European company. It was represented by a European company. The name of the product is called Power Bank. So that's the name of the product, just like it says right here, Power Bank. But yeah. And that's it. It just says Power Bank up front, and it gives you more of these labels in the back, and tells you what it can charge in the front. Right here, iPad, a GPS unit, your phones, and even your handheld devices, and many more, it says there. All right, so we're gonna open this up real quick. I'm gonna come up to you guys so you guys can see. I'm gonna open this up here like this. So when you first open it up, you get the little booklet here, tells you how to use it and everything. Now you open this up here. So it looks like it's a one sheet thing, a real big one sheet. I'll put this down and make it easier for me. So it's one sheet, gives you all the specs right here, guys, in one sheet. Just to go over some of the specs, it has lightning connection, Type-C connection, micro connection. So it has 2 USB ports, 3 actually, regular USB ports, all 3 of them at 5 volt, 3 amps. The number 2 USB has amps. It has 9 volt amps, 12 volt, 1.5 amps, 5 volt, 4.5 amps, and 5 volts at 5 amps. So you got those different specs, and you got two type C's. They're both at 5 volt or 9 volt or 12 volt. And then you got your micro cable and your lightning cable there. It shows you all the connections, that the plugs they have here, what specs goes to which plug here. So if you guys are not sure which one does the best charging, just look at your guide here and you'll be all set. Very simple. And it's very simple to follow these instructions. So I'm just gonna put this away because I actually want to keep this for myself, because I'm gonna need it in case I travel. All right, so in here we're gonna go ahead and open this up. This is the power bank here. Open it up. Oh damn, I ripped it off really fast. Okay, so this is what the power bank looks like. Comes with a traveling pouch like tag here, so you guys can travel around with it. All right, and then right in the front right here, you'll see it has all the ports here. You got a micro, it's labeled there, type C. This is how you charge it to plug it in. It does take to charge it right here. I believe, yeah, this is the charger right here. That's the lightning cable, the 3 USB ports there. And is there any other ports? No. To turn it on, there's a button on the side right here. You see it? We're gonna turn that on. Let's see if it's started. Oh, that's to turn on the light. That's one feature I didn't tell you guys. It has a light in the back if you need it. Because if you're sleeping somewhere in the darkness, or you go camping, you could turn on the light here. I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can see. It turns off. Boom, see? Turn it back on just to see, because I didn't know that was the thing. There you guys go. All right, turning it off now so you guys can see. All right, so here is the front. This is the LED display screen here. It'll tell you how much it's charged and stuff. So this is charged, and then I think it works automatically right away. Let me see, because I don't see how. All right, there you go. If you hit the button, the same button on the side, you hit it one time, it gives you the percentage and how much percentage is charged. So this is showing 73%. It's a pretty cool device, guys, like I said. And the name of the company is called Powerbank, as is listed right there. For some reason, I thought it was named something different. But again, I'll leave a thing down below. But I do want to compare this to my size to my phone. If I can find my phone. Oh, it's in my pocket. All right, so this is the side. This is the powerbank. If you see from my hands, you see how big it is. If I put the palm in my hand, it's about the whole size of my hand right here. I'm trying to create it. See, so I put it at the bottom of my pant right here. On the bottom of my pant, it takes up the whole hand right here. A little wiggle room in the top. But if you want to compare it, I do have a Samsung S22 Ultra, and this is it right here. And it's about the same size as that. So I put it back to back. You see, it's about the same size. The Samsung's slightly a little bit bigger. As I keep it to the top the same, it's slightly a little bit bigger. So if I want to go travel around and when I use this like this, I can hold it like this and charge my phone at the same time without even worrying about it. You see how cool that is? All right. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave a link down below where you guys can check this out, because you guys have to check it out yourself. Again, this takes it does 50,000 milliamps. So again, it could charge your iPhone 14 16 times. I could charge, 15 times, sorry, 15 times. It could charge a Samsung S20 13.5 times, and an iPod Air 5 6.5 times. So those are the specs that they gave me online. Again, I haven't fully tested it, but this is a good device, and it's only for $37. I actually called it a little bit cheaper because they're having a sale today. I don't know how long the sale will last. Maybe by the time you see this, it won't be available for like with that sale. But I got this at 40% off. They were having a sale, 40% off. So with tax and shipping, I only had to pay $22 for this or something like that, $22, $25. So I got this for under 30 bucks. Hopefully by the time you see this video, you'll be able to use it and get it. But if you're not interested, that's okay. I just come in here to show you products. If you enjoy, you enjoy. If you don't, you don't. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and everything I had to show you. If you did, go ahead and give me a big old thumbs up. Show me all the love and support that you guys love to show. And also, don't forget to hit that share button, because sharing is caring. And we want to make sure that everyone's aware of everything we do on this channel, so they're not missing out, just like you're not missing out. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, put them in the comment box down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can, when I can, as fast as I can. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out of here. Peace.